Happy Thursday, Royal Family. Hope everyone is doing okay. Let me just say this first and foremost. I will be uploading a video every Thursday between 5:30 and 6 p.m. So please look for me then. And if you haven't turned on your bell for notification, please do so. All right, Father's Day is Sunday. So I was really wrecking my brains. Okay, what can I give them for Father's Day? I know most people do steaks, loaded baked potatoes. So I thought about doing something for breakfast, and we're going to do a hash. But we're not going to do a corned beef hash. We're going to do a brisket hash. So with that being said, let's get started. Okay, here I did the paper towel because I wanted all the moistness off of the potatoes. I have two Yukon gold potatoes, and I want you to see how I dice them. I diced them pretty thin. You see that? So they're pretty thin. I'm gonna say a mini dice. As I said before, you guys, I'm not really good with measurements, but I would say a mini dice for the two Yukon Gold tomatoes. All right, and here I have one small bell pepper, which I also diced really small. I probably need to take the top off of that so you guys can see it. Let me just go ahead and show you the onions. In here, this is one small onion that I finely chopped, but you'll be able to see it better once I put it in the pan. And of course, the star of the show is, this is about a cup of chopped brisket that I'm going to use. And of course, we're going to need vegetable oil. We're going to need black pepper. We're going to need granulated garlic, and I'm just going to confess up, you guys. I don't like over easy eggs, and that is the proper way you're supposed to do it for a hash. So I'm just going to put a fried egg on top, all right? So here I have a carton of a half a dozen of eggs, which I'm only going to do 2. All right, let's get this skillet heated up. Then I'll come back and we'll get this ball rolling. Okay, Royal Family, this is the first thing we're going to do. I put about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in here. We're going to saute our onions and bell peppers. Now you can see how finely diced the bell peppers are. We're going to saute this probably for around, I'm going to say 3 minutes. And I know that it might be old news to you guys, but I went and got me a bigger electric skillet. I am loving these things. They don't heat up your house, and you can just cook in this one skillet, especially for the brisket hash. And I'm also, remember I told you that by June the 15th that I would be coming back on and we were going to do an additional segment to my YouTube video. Well, unfortunately, I haven't moved yet. I'm still in the process of looking, but I haven't quite found, that right place with the perfect kitchen. Gotta have a nice kitchen, gotta have a big bathroom. Those 2 things are a must for me. But we're still going to do it's going to be called the culinary segment. So I'm going to show you substitutions. I'm going to show you flavors for different regions that you can use. I'm going to take it up a couple of belt sizes. But anyway, saute this for about 3 minutes, Then I'll come back and I'll show you what we'll do next. All right, I'll be right back. All right, here we go. I've taken the bell peppers and onions and I've just kind of pushed them to the side. And I've added the diced potatoes. Now the potatoes are going to take probably anywhere from 8 to 10 minutes because I want them to have a nice brown to them and also be tender. And they won't take long since they're diced so short. Again, these are Yukon Gold potatoes. So just, don't move them around like me. I'm going to flatten them out and leave them alone. And in 3 minutes, I'll flip them. Then in another 3 minutes, I'll flip them. But these are your diced Yukon Gold potatoes, which I've pushed the bell pepper and the onions to the side. All right. So get you some tea or something to drink and come right back. Okay, the potatoes are browning nicely. What we're going to do next, we're going to add the brisket. So I think that's about 1.5 cups of brisket. Now we're going to stir everything together. The bell pepper, the onions, the potatoes, in which of course I did not have out. I have a tablespoon of Bbq sauce and 2 tablespoons of water because I don't want it real thick and barbecue-y, but I do want some of that smoky moisture in there. And I use the sweet and spicy by Kraft. Again, a tablespoon of Bbq sauce and 2 tablespoons of water. We're going to pour this in, and then we're going to let it cook probably for about, I'm going to say 5 minutes. But of course, in the description box below, I will let you guys know the exact time. All right. It is smelling amazing. All right, so let's do this barbecue sauce. Just a little. You don't need a lot. So we're going to let all of that lusciousness come together. And then we will do the fried eggs. I will show you guys how to present it for Father's Day. And then we will be done. Oh, I'm sorry. Go ahead and add a teaspoon of garlic powder and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper to this. All right. See you back. All right, Royal Family. Here is the Bbq Brisket hash. And what I should have told you guys, once you put it all together, spread it out. I will say this. This is taking longer than I expected. So in the description box below, I will advise you to cook your potatoes longer before you mix everything together. And that way it won't take so long. But no, I promise you, it is not dry at all. The barbecue sauce, kept the moisture in it. So this is probably another 3 to 4 minutes. Then we'll come back, fry the eggs, and I will present it to you guys. Okay, you guys, I'm doing the fried egg. Whenever I'm doing a fried egg, I like to use oil because if you use butter, it will sometimes make your egg too brown, and I really want it a beautiful white. Now I'm going to do one with a runny yolk, but I won't be eating that one. Okay, seems like this is getting a little brown. You see how easily it can move? And I don't know if I got the right spatula, you guys. Let me see, because I don't want to break the yolk. I did it. Okay, and this is going to cook, I mean very quick, because you want a runny yolk. All right, so I'm about to take this off, and I have it on 300 on the electric skillet. I probably would do it maybe at 250 because I got a little browning around the edge, which it's okay, but I wanted it to be a beautiful white. But when I come back, I will present the final presentation. Okay, Royal Family, here is the finished product of the Bbq Brisket hash. And in the front, I did the egg well fried. I do not like runny yolk. But in the back, let me show you guys. The yolk will be runny. All right. Now I'm going to take a bite and show you guys it is not dry. It is so flavorful and delicious. All right, so and I put the egg on the side so you could literally see the hash, because you wouldn't want to cover it up as far as presentation. I'm always trying to get that 1/4 bite. Let me see if I can do it. Okay, come on back, egg. Seems like the egg want to come out, huh? Now that's going to be a pretty big bite for me. But I want you guys to see that. See that? Daddy will be so happy for Father's Day. And you can serve it with biscuits, toast, jelly, or pancakes. You know, this is just the main course, and you can put the sides with it. All right, I'm about to take a bite. Okay, I'm digging this. And this is really good. With the egg, you guys. I didn't think I'd like the egg on it, but it's really delicious. All right, this is this Thursday's video. Please give me a thumbs up. Please share and subscribe. And thank you guys for watching. And to all of you wonderful dads, happy Father's Day from Mrs. O. God bless you. Going in again.